How to sell on Etsy for beginners. Well, selling on Etsy involves creating an account first. Well, to create a seller account, head into your web and head into etsy.com/sell. So this is the web that you'll have to head into, etsy.com/sell. Then you can see tap on get started option here and then proceed to continue with Google or Facebook. So I'll just continue here with my account and tap on continue. So I'm signing back here. As you can see, I already have an account, so I'm just signing into my account. But if you do not have an account, it'll prompt you to create the account. Then you can set shop preferences, that is language, country, currency, etc. So make your shop uniquely yours. Tell us a bit yourself. Open your shop and pay a one-time $19 setup fee. Then tap on let's do this and go through the prompts to set up your account and start selling on Etsy. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.